Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance as well as interview tips, different type of questions of my subscribers as well as my viewers. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe because you will get a complete placement solution in my channel. So let's achieve the success path with us and subscribe. So let's start this video. In today's video, I will discuss about the job notification which has come from Wipro. But I want to let you know that in my channel I have already published several videos. The off-campus drive is going on for the BE Tech as well as MBA as well as BBA. All these MEM Tech graduates can apply those job like Infosys. They have published Siemens. They have published their notification. Virtusa. These recruitment are still going on. Still the registration is open. So if you have not registered still now, you can do your registration. So let's start today's video. So Wipro have again published the notification for WILP 2021. So which is the full form of WILP is Work Integrated Learning Program. So what is it? Work Integrated Learning Program is a unique learning platform or the program which offers the BCA and BSc students a chance to build your career at Wipro, and you can pursue your higher education in MTech from a premier educational institute in India sponsored by Wipro. So you are getting both the chances. You can do your higher studies as well as you are getting job there also. Wipro is taking steps to prevent the fraudulent agencies, fake offers. So be confident about the mail which you will receive after registration from Wipro. They will share the details with you. And now I can share with you the eligibility details and the education criteria. So education criteria, they have mentioned that you need to be passed in the 10th and 12th standard. You need to secure graduation marks 60%, that is 6.0 CGPA, as per the university guidelines. Year of passing must be 2021. So qualification, they are asking Bachelor of Computer Application and Bachelor of Science in these streams like computer science, information technology, or mathematics, or statistics, or electronics, or physics. So in these streams, if you have done your Bachelor of Science, then you can apply. Other criteria, they have mentioned that mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation. Business math and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. Maximum 3 years of education gap is allowed between 10th and graduation. No gaps are allowed in graduation. Graduation should be completed within 3 years. Education should be regular full time only in 10th, 12th, and graduation also by the central or state government. All backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. Should be an Indian citizenship or should hold a PI or OCI card from other country or holding a passport of other country. Bhutan, Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificates, and candidates who have participated in the selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. So if you have already applied in last 3 months in Wipro, then don't do the application again because your data will be there. So now I'm discussing about the stipend details. So you will get a chance to pursue your higher education as well as you will receive stipend for each and every month, and you will receive your experience also, working experience with Wipro also. First year the stipend will be like 15,000 plus 488 ESI value, and in the second year they will give you 17,000, and in third year you will receive 19,000. For fourth year you will receive 23,000. So there is service agreement. Obviously, on joining, candidate should be required to sign a service agreements of 60 months. Okay, so 5 years of service agreement. So every eligible candidate must go through the online assessment details, which is shared by them here. The process of selection is shared here. So there will be four steps. First will be the online assessment, which is 80 minutes round. Inside it, you will get aptitude test like verbal test, analytical test, and quantitative test. Each section has 20 minutes, 20 questions, and also the written communication test, which is also taking 20 minutes. So these two words mainly online assessment. So after selection in the online assessment, candidate will required to go through a technical interview followed by a HR interview. So candidates who have participated in last 3 months process of recruitment by Wipro, they are not eligible. They are again mentioning, and it is solely discretion of Wipro to permit or restrict the participation of candidate whether eligible or not in the selection process. Last date is 22nd of August, so you have nearly 10 days. So after online assessment, after doing the registration, you will receive the online assessment link via your registered email address. For any queries, you can reach out to the manager.campus@wipro.com using the subject line WILP 2021. The same will be responded within 3 working days. Okay. So if you have any queries, you can take a screenshot or take down this mail ID, take a note of it, so that if you face any challenge, you can also comment your doubts in my comment section, as well as you can share your doubts with this direct to this mail ID. They will share their respond within 3 working days. Okay. So these are the all details I have shared. Now I will show you how to apply. Now you have to click on the apply button. Then in the same page, in the career page, you will get the job ID or the requisition ID. That is 2021 phase 2. It is the event phase 2 WILP hiring FY 2021. The requisition ID is 2573515. Just remember it, because in this year also they have already published previously this phase 1 WILP program. Okay, so you can once again go through. Just click on apply. Then you have to enter your email address here. So you have to click on next, like I'm doing here. I just want to show you, so that's why I'm just doing it. By clicking on next, you will get the actual form. Here you need to upload your CV. You can upload from anywhere. They have given their option. Then you need to create your login password details, like you have to mention your email address and password. Then your personal details like your name, primary phone number, secondary phone number, your address, date of birth, and the citizenship, India also, or maybe other country. The educational details you need to fill there for 10th as well as for 12th, as well as your time zone preference. So these are the all things they have mentioned, and then after that, completing filling this form, you need to click on submit profile. So this is the main process of submitting the WILP hiring FY 2021. So if you have any doubt, you can share through us with our mail ID, and which I will share in my description box, and you can directly follow us with our Instagram profile, as well as you can directly follow us to our Facebook page, Job Updates by Varma. So anywhere you can share your doubts, as well as you can share your doubts in the comment box also. So hope this helps you guys. So if you really find this helpful, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, because it gives us motivation. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care.